Hello friend, I'm Sunday Yewale from Octozi School of Shoemaking and Craft. In here, many times we have these scissors with us and we've been able, we pick these scissors up, we use these scissors, and you don't really understand that we have different methods that we different techniques of cutting with these scissors. So in this video I want to show you how you will be able to use these scissors to do several cutting techniques, giving you that is going to give you different results. That's what I'm going to show you in this project. This video is just a compilation of your basic tips you need to get your shoemaking career on. You want to do your shoemaking at your convenience, then I have the course that match your needs. Go into the description of this video immediately you're done with it. There's a link in there that's going to navigate you to where you can take free course on cutting. I have a full lesson that is dedicated on just cutting. The lesson is free of charge. So go in there, take the course, and at the end you will be glad you do. Give me a like for this video, and I would also like you to subscribe to our channel. So what are we waiting for? Let's go in there to see how different cutting techniques that you can do with these basic tools, scissors. The main essence of this video is just to show the accuracy in cutting. You're going to apply that on your project, and believe me, your project is going to come out very, very cool. Okay, the first I'm going to start on is this different method at which you can use to cut your material, and each different method is going to give you 3 different results. If you're going to be cutting your hopper, like an hopper of a project like this, you want to cut it out and you have it this way, have it marked on it. You have it marked on this way. Okay, and to get this out, to get the accurate size of this thing out, that means you have to cut immediately after this line inward, not outward. You're going to be cutting entered like this immediately after the line. If you'll be cutting on the line, it's going to be a bit bigger than the actual pattern we have in here. But if you're cutting outside the line, okay, cutting in, if you're cutting in the line, you're going to be cutting the accurate one. If you're cutting on the line, you're going to be cutting a bit bigger than what we have in here. But if you're cutting outside the line, you're going to be a way bigger than what we have at the actual pattern. Also, coming up right now, we're going to be doing a test run of that. I pick my scissors right now. I'm going to be cutting a bit in the line, cutting this way. A bit in the line. Okay. In the line. You cut a bit in the line. Okay. Okay, in here I cut it out, and the line. It's okay. For you to know that it's in the line, at the time I'm cutting, I just cut this out right now. I just cut this out this way. This way. Away from this. Right here. Away from this. So getting to remove this right now, all the mark that was used to mark it around was left on the main material. It doesn't come up with this. All the marking round was left on the main material. That means that you cut immediately before, not on the line, before the line. That means you're going to be cutting the exact of that. Let's have a test run of that. If it's the same thing right in here. Okay, checking it out. Look at it here. This way, checking at the back. You get to notice that coming at this back, you're not, what is on the back here is not visible, and at the same time when I get to turn it like this, what is also on the back is not visible. That means that we're able to cut accurate thing of what we marked out. That was what we're able to cut out. You can see it this way. Okay, I'm going to do another test run of this and another material. I'm going to be cutting on the line. After I cut on the line, I'm going to cut outside the line too. At the time I've cut in the line, this point, I will cut on the line. I'll also cut after the line. So we're going to see the difference between the two methods of cutting. I'm going to come in here again to cut this out. Same material I'm going to be using to get this out. Right in here, I'm going to cut it. This way out. We'll be using a very clear marking tools so you can be able to see clearly. Okay, this is it. So to cut this out right now, I'm going to come in here. I want to cut exact on the line. Exact on the line, okay? I'm going to cut this way. Cutting exact on the line. Okay. Okay, right now this is out, so I've been able to cut this exact on the line. So cutting this exact on the line leaves me with a bit of the marking pen around the edges. You can see that in here the marking pen was not around the edges of this, but in here, because I was cutting at the exact of the line, a bit of the marking pen drops on the main material in here, and also a bit of the marking pen drops on the leather. So that is to tell you that if you don't want your marking pen to directly show on your main material, it's highly important for you to not to cut on the line. So cutting on the line right now, this is what I got in here. So what I'm going to be doing right now, I'm going to do the simple test which I did on the first one, and the simple test is that I'm going to come in here and drop this like this on it. Okay, you can see, looking at this right now, this covered it completely, just the way this covered it. It covers it completely. But if I turn it this way in the way of the pattern, you can see there's a touch of the pattern that goes around it. So coming up right now, running the test as it is in here. I've turned it this way. As you can see, the tips, check the tips round. A bit of the main material is showing at the edge in here. It's showing in here like this. Okay, let me turn it around to know if it's going to show at the back again. Check this. It doesn't show at the back. That is giving us, sending us a signal that this main material is a bit bigger than this. It's a bit bigger than this. Okay, so if you want to have a cut that is exact of your material, that means you should not cut on the line. Either you cut before the line. So if you want it way bigger, then you cut after the line. So this is what we cut. This is what we cut on the line. I'm going to do another one in here, right there. So cutting off away off the line is going to give you more space. It's going to be more bigger than what this turns out to be. Coming in here, I want to mark this again with the same pattern. And what I'm going to be doing right now is that at the end of drawing everything, I'm going to put all the three together. So coming up here, okay, I have this now marked out directly on the surface. So I'm going to be using the third tips right now. The top tips is working far away from the marking pen. So I'm going to be cutting a way out of it. Cutting away from the line right now, not too far away from the line, immediately after the line. That's where I'm cutting right now. Okay, this is out. And one thing you get to notice from the way I cut in here is that, looking at where I cut out, I got this cut out. Looking at how I got this cut out, coming back in there right here. Okay, here it is. You can see the shape. Okay, looking at it, I have to pick this up right now and eventually get to know that all the stitching, all the marking pen I use in marking does not appear on the main material. It directly appears in here just because I cut out of the line. That's one of the major effects. Okay, having that, that's one of the effects in there. So having that right now, doing the same test of all the other material, what I'm going to be doing right here is to drop this in here. Okay, you can see it's on this. It wasn't showing clearly like this, but in here it shows clearly around the space around in here is a bit much than this, as you can see there. And if I turn it this way, it's covered. That is because this is way bigger than this. This is bigger than this, but this is exact of this. This is exact of this. This is bigger than this. This is way bigger than this. Okay, right now we have the 3 in here. So to confirm that all these are quite different in sizes, I come over in here, drop it on each other. Coming over, drop it on each other. Okay, after being leveled, can come in there and see the difference in here. You can see the difference at the edge. So at the point you get this, you can see the difference all around the edge in here. So as you can see it, check this out too. Okay, that is it. Just this 3 basic methods you can really apply to your auto when you want to cut your hopper, and be so sure you're going to cut accurate things out. Okay, in there, that is it. This is just how you can, the 3 ways you can easily cut your upper flexible leather. Even you can also apply this to your rubber. Okay, hope you like what you've seen. As I said, it's quite easy. Just follow it step by step, and at the end you will have a basic understanding how to fix it. Hope you like it. I'd like you to give me a thumbs up for this video, and if you're not a subscriber, kindly subscribe. And while you're subscribing, click on the bell button so you can have a notification on our subsequent upload on this platform. Okay, at the beginning of the video I said there is a plus for you watching to the end, and the plus is that I have a course down in the description column of this video. Go in there, there's a link in there, click it, which is going to navigate you to where to take a free detailed course about this, about the video you've just watched. This detailed course, it has no cost, and which comes with support. So whenever you've taken the course to some point and you need some support, there is a forum at which you can get support for that. Thank you so much. I'm Oyewale Sunday, and anything you do, never stop learning.